Hey guys, so we are taking some 3.5 by 3.5 pieces of wood that we sanded around the corners and all the sides, and we're going to make some really pretty Christmas gifts out of these. So first we're going to take some white paint, it's just acrylic paint, and a paint scraper. And we're going to get some paint on the tip of our scraper and then drag it through so it picks up on some of that grain. And then we're going to take some stencils. Now, looking back, I would have done the scraper first on this side and then the stencil, but you live and you learn. So we're going to do some stencils. What I did the stencils with was some acrylic paint and some spackle mixed, and that way it was raised. And then I just went around the rest of the sides doing that paint scraper technique. I used a palette knife too. It's just a smaller version, but it all kind of looks, it gives it the same effect. And I did all 4 sides and the top. I did not do the bottoms, but you absolutely could. And then I set that one to the side. Then I got out this other one, and I'm going to put some paint through it as well. And this one is going to have Christmas trees. So I mixed English ivy green and just like I think it's leaf green to get this color. And I also mixed it in with some spackle. And again, that's just so that it's kind of raised and later we can add some faux snow to it. So I do take some of a popsicle stick and I take some of that white that we had left over from the other one and put it through there. And then I start kind of wrapping this like a little Christmas present would be. I left the front sides of these gifts because they're going to be showing off whatever we've done on the fronts. So these gifts are a little bit different than maybe ones you might have seen in the past. And then we're going to take some different ribbons and use our bow dabra to get the cutest little bows for the tops of these. And I have a white, you'll see it at the end in the photos and videos, I have little white embellishments for the centers of the bows. So then next I take this natural looking one and I wrap it around all 3 sides, and then I go ahead and make a little bow. That time I use the mini bow dabra. And we're going to put a cardinal stamp and some Christmas trees on this one. And then for the Christmas tree gift, I'm going to finish going around here and giving this a good dry, and then I'm going to take the palette knife now that those Christmas trees are good and sturdy, and I'm going to place some more white paint on those. And then I have the prettiest ribbon. This is from the Bow Dabra website, and it's cardinals and birdhouses and some greenery. And this ribbon I also used in the bow. I had plenty so I could use it in the bow. This is like a gold looking one, and then we have some white. And I just went back and forth using those 3 a couple times, and then I tied it off with my bow wire and placed it on the top as well. And then I do, if the ribbon is really wide, I dovetail it, which is what I'm doing now. It's just out of frame, I'm so sorry. And if the ribbon is more thin, then I just angle it. Then I'm taking some stamps here. I did a script stamp and I dried it on this little tag, and then I added some antique wax to seal it up. And then I'm going to place some Mod Podge and some diamond dust on our snowflakes on this one, you guys. These turned out so beautiful. I really love the way each of them looks. Just something different and fun and cute for this season. And I hope you enjoyed this and y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.